Hi, I'm Marcy, and in this video we are going to go over the top 15 essential oils for inflammation and pain. If you like this video, consider subscribing. I make essential oil videos weekly, and I love helping new people learn how to use them. Essential oils can be used for all types of pain and inflammation. It could be overall inflammation, a specific area like overuse, say your shoulder playing tennis or volleyball, lower back, pain and inflammation, menstrual cramping as well. Wintergreen is a wonderful pain reliever, especially with sports type injuries. You can apply neat. If you've tested it, you can do a test patch on, say, on the inside of your arm or elbow, and you can see if you're going to have any kind of skin reaction to it. You can also put a few drops in fractionated coconut oil, put into your hand, and apply. All of the oils I'm going to mention, it's a good idea to do a test patch first. Wintergreen is also good for headaches and sore throat, and I would dilute that when you go to put it on your head or your sore throat. I would put it into a carrier oil like this fractionated coconut oil, almond oil, or avocado oil, and be very careful to not get it too close to your eyes. It could burn, it could sting, and be uncomfortable. The second essential oil for relieving pain and inflammation is peppermint. Peppermint is my favorite go-to oil for headaches. I can apply it neat, but it is strong, so I've done that, so I know I can handle it. It would be best to start off diluting it, and again, just like wintergreen, don't get it too close to your eyes because the essential oil fumes will be diffusing out into the air and they can get into your eyes and sting. Peppermint is an antispasmodic, so it's very good for digestive issues. You can rub a few drops on your belly, straight or in fractionated coconut oil, and it can help with belly spasms that have to do with digestion. Peppermint also helps you relax and eases tension, which can help with reducing pain and inflammation. The third essential oil is lavender, which is well known for reducing pain. It helps you relax. It helps reduce tension and eases anxiety, which can be underlying causes for pain. Lavender can help you get better sleep, which in studies has shown that can reduce your pain. You can diffuse it out into the air about 20 minutes before you go to bed, or you could apply it right underneath your big toe. Lavender is an analgesic, which means it helps reduce pain. The fourth essential oil is juniper, and it's an antispasmodic. It helps with joint and muscle pain and aches that have to do with muscle spasms. Juniper also strengthens nerves. Rosemary is our fifth oil. It is very helpful for headaches and, in addition, muscle and joint pain. Rosemary can help with concentration and memory. It's great to diffuse while studying. Just don't use it if you're pregnant or nursing. Our sixth oil is clove, and that is one of the earliest essential oils to be used medicinally. You can take a few drops of clove and put it into warm water and gargle for a sore throat, or you could take a few drops of clove essential oil and put it with fractionated coconut oil and rub it into the sore muscle, your sore muscle. It is a warm oil, so you do want to dilute it. Our seventh oil is thyme, and it is an antispasmodic. Thyme contains a compound called Thyme, promotes movement of the joints and eases joint pain. Thyme also increases blood flow. Our eighth oil is frankincense. Frankincense is great for overall inflammation, and one of the best ways to use it for overall inflammation is to consume it in a veggie cap. It's these little guys right here. You would open up the veggie cap, put in a couple drops of frankincense, add olive oil to it. Make sure it's a frankincense that you can consume. It should say it on the bottle. And you add the olive oil into it and take that once or twice a day. You could also take frankincense and add it into any of the blends that I'm going to mention, or use it by itself on, say, a sore joint in some fractionated coconut oil. Frankincense is wonderful for bruising, and it's great for anything to do with your skin, acne, scars, etc. Eucalyptus is our 9th oil. It is similar to juniper and many of its properties. It pairs well with lavender to make a blend for joint pain or inflammation. It helps with sprains and strains and nerve pains. Our 10th essential oil is Clary Sage. Clary Sage is great for menstrual cramps. It's often added to massage oil blends. And this is another one to not be used during pregnancy. There is research that Clary Sage, when used after the 38th week of pregnancy, it can be helpful in inducing labor. Chamomile is our 11th essential oil for pain and inflammation. Use the Roman chamomile, which is milder for children. For grown-ups, use German chamomile. The chamomile oils are very soothing for muscle and joint pain. Ginger is our 12th oil. It is a very warm oil, very well known for digestion, and it can be added into any of these blends that we're going to talk about for soothing muscle pain. Copaiba is our 13th essential oil, and it's been used in Brazilian folk medicine for years. The main compound in this oil is beta-caryophyllene. Hopefully I said that right, beta-C. Beta-C is an anti-inflammatory agent, and it has analgesic or pain-killing property. I have a really nice recipe called Happy Hinges, and the main ingredient in there is Copaiba, and I'll put that down in the comments. Our 14th oil is Cypress, and this is an antispasmodic, making it great for muscle cramping, and many use it for restless leg syndrome. It aids in fluid reduction, which helps get the toxins out, aiding in toxin removal, which helps with reducing pain. Lemongrass is our 15th oil, and it is often used for headaches and migraines. It contains citral. Citral is an anti-inflammatory compound, so it's very useful for sore muscles. If you'd like to make an oil blend for inflammation and pain, you could take a 10 milliliter roller bottle and put in 5 drops each of lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus, and marjoram. Fill the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. If you have different oils at home, any of these 15 that we've mentioned, putting these into the roller bottle, pick the ones that you have at home and try those first. My recommendation for the roller bottles is to use 15 to 20 drops of essential oil and then fill it the rest of the way with a carrier oil. I'll put the recipe I just mentioned down into the description. And the roller bottles I use, as well as the veggie caps. Now, something that's helped me with inflammation over the last 6 years has been moringa. Moringa is a plant. If you ask Siri what's the most nutritious plant on earth, it will tell you Moringa oleifera. I take Zija's moringa. We have the tree dehydrated down into this packet. We add it to water, and I drink a packet every day. Over the years, it's been over 6 years now, my inflammation has decreased dramatically. I played college sports, and I still play lots of sports, and am very active. I'm 55, so my knees and shoulder has seen a lot of use. This has helped dramatically. Another thing that's helped me that Zija carries is called Essentials. And this has a few herbs in it. What you do is you take this packet and you put it on your tongue like a pixie stick. The herbs are dried down in there. The Essentials has bacal, skullcap root, and I'll write that down in the description as well. Skullcap root is used for insomnia, anxiety, inflammation, and spasms. It calms anxiety, acting as a nerve tonic. It reduces inflammation, say like with IBS, inflammatory bowel syndrome, and it's been used for a long time in traditional Chinese medicine. Another herb in the essentials is the immortality herb called gynostemma. It's an antioxidant, a stress reducer, and a detox herb. If you don't want to make your own roller bottle blends, one of the best blends that we have here at Zizia, our Améo Essential Oils, is our Muscleman. And that's got wintergreen, peppermint, helichrysum, and balsam fir, and spruce. We use this often for massage. I just used it very recently after playing in a volleyball tournament and my lower back got stiff as a board. Put this on there. It helped relieve that pain and I was able to go blueberry picking in there. So those are our top 15 essential oils for pain and inflammation. If you would like to learn more about those essential oils, I have my website in the description of this video. You can also learn more about Moringa aloe there and the essentials. And I hope this video has been helpful for you, and we'll see you soon.